What if every unemployed person suddenly started a typewriter restoration business? Within weeks, vintage typewriter supplies would vanish completely. Thousands would fight over limited ribbon stock and rare repair manuals from the 1940s. Antique stores would be cleaned out overnight, driving prices from $50 to over $500 for common models. eBay would flood with restoration services, crashing prices from $800 down to under $100. But something unexpected would happen. Writers would embrace the typewriter renaissance, coffee shops would offer typewriter rental stations, new manufacturers would emerge to meet ribbon demand. Only the most skilled restorers would survive by specializing in rare brands. This chaos would accidentally revive mechanical writing culture and create an entire artisan economy.